Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off schedule power on or off on Infinix Hot 4 device. Well, knowing how to turn off schedule power on or off settings on your device can be useful if you no longer need the schedule automation, want to make immediate changes to the schedule, or if you simply prefer to power your device on and off manually. Disabling the feature gives you more control over when your device powers on and off, allowing you to adjust settings according to your current needs or preferences. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Settings menu on your device. So now scroll down and select System option. And then enter to the schedule power on or off and restart. Okay, so in this page, turn the toggle off like this. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off schedule power on or off on Infinix Hot 4 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.